Hi, this is card number 4 in the February Botanical Layers workshop series. And this is a simple card. We will be using the stamp set again, and these are the vellum layers that come along with the bundle. There's a variety of one. We did that one in card number 1, and this is the one that we're going to use today. This is card number 3. We haven't made a card with that one yet, and there's a bunch of plain vellum layers that is included. We're going to use early espresso cardstock, cutting it at 5 1/2 and scoring it at 4 1/4. For the matte layer, this is the splendid paper, the back side, which is light brown. We are going to cut it at 5 1/4 and 4 inches width. Now the inside of the card is going to be the same brown paper. Stamping onto the vellum, we need StazOn ink. StazOn will not smear on smooth paper like vellum. You have to make sure to keep the plastic cover on the ink pad, or else the ink pad will dry out. Stamping the inside paper with one of the leaves to finish off the inside of the card. Now we need to glue the vellum onto the front of the card, and because the vellum is see-through, we need to be strategic about where we put the dots. So we're going to put a white dot behind each of the black leaves, and that should be enough glue just to adhere it in place. Now we're using the take your pick tool and the putty side, and we are going to be adding the classic matte dots to finish off the card. I hope you like this card. If you do, please check out the other cards in this series on my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching, and nourish your soul by creating something you love. Thank you. Bye.